Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Friends, I am Biju Thomas and you are watching my channel
BBN
Creations. Continuing my previous video series of hydroponic system, today we are going to talk about germination. To begin, first we need to prepare half-ton nutrient solution. For this, you can refer my previous episode of hydroponic nutrients. Add 1 liter RO water in a jug. Then put 5 ml nutrient A stock solution. After mixing, add 5 ml of stock B solution. Mix the solution properly. Half-ton nutrient solution is now ready for seed germination process. Our next chapter is germination of seeds. For germinating the seed, need a medium, that is hydroponic grow cubes. Its material is rock wool. Place rock wool cubes in a tray, then add prepared half-strength nutrient solution till the rock wool cubes are fully soaked with solution. Afterward, place seeds carefully in each cube's pocket. Cover the tray with black plastic sheet and keep it in dark and cool place for 2 days. After germination start, keep the tray in sunlight. After 5th day, it is ready for planting. In second method, growing mediums are seeding tray and cocoa pit. Break the cocoa pit bricks and add half-strength nutrient solution. Put it in seeding tray, then place seeds in each pot. After germination start, keep the tray in sunlight. After 5 days, it is ready for planting. Our next chapter is placement of germinated seeds in hydroponic. Cut and remove each row full cubes and place it in net pot of hydroponics. Cut and remove each for seeding tray carefully. Then make cut mark on bottom sides and remove bottom portion carefully. Then place it in net pot with support of rock wool in below. After that, keep it in hydroponic system. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up.